We have a huge variety of research projects here at DJCAD. We have big European projects such as the Citizen Science Project GROW, the GROW Observatory we have here. We have out in the main gallery, we have examples of Dial and Scullion's environmental art practice. We have Graham Poulin and his Hands of X project, which is about artificial limbs and design. We have a PhD student with hearing aids as jewellery, a fantastic PhD. We have an enormous variety from painting to photography, video projects, focusing on the history, environmental concerns, Scotland's relationship to the slave trade, for instance, and the work of Graham Fagan, a vast variety of social, artistic, environmental and design projects. I think that's the defining feature of Duncan and Jordanstone's research, is the variety and the scope of the research that's conducted here. It's both visual, historical, encompasses an extraordinary range of practices and concerns. It's important to us here at Duncan and Jordanstone to align a little bit more our research with our teaching, and we've had historically a wonderful relationship with Dundee Contemporary Arts by having a visual research centre down the road at DCA, and that was fantastic. But I think over the years we began to feel that we wanted really to bring research home and to allow the student community, both PhD, top postgraduate and undergraduate, to see the extent of research conducted by staff here at Duncan and Jordanstone. And I think for me that's the most important thing about bringing research back home, is to allow the whole community of the university to be able to focus on Duncan and Jordanstone and see this wonderful variety of what we do. And I felt that the appropriate place to do that would be here, within the belly of the beast, if you like. Research has all kinds of different repercussions on how an artist or a designer might engage with the world. Research needs to be outlooking, it needs to go beyond academia, and students need to understand that there is a language of research, but also it's a language that applies to the real world. So that is part of our great game plan with the way that we're going forward at Duncan and Jordanstone, is to let students see that research is live, it's happening now, it's hugely interdisciplinary, it's very, very varied in its terms of engagement, if you like. And I think we'll see more and more student engagement, and we will run a series of talks as we move forward, which will focus on staff research.